Townchain company for a new apartment presentation. So we are in the south of Vincom Lake in Trieu Viet Street. So I'm gonna show you in first the kitchen. Just here on my right there is a little table. After you can find a sofa of a smaller table than the first one. There is on the corner one television. Directly everything is connected by a little balcony. So as you can see, there is the light sun coming here. We get a view on the street, so it's a wonderful street. Just up to there is a restaurant. Alright, let's continue this visit. I'm gonna show you the bathroom, the corridor and the room. Alright, so on my right, the bathroom. And just over here, the room with a big bed, 2 places. Obviously, this apartment gets air conditioning, ventilation. So there is many windows, you can let the air coming in. And there is some commodity to put your clothes. So that's it for this apartment. Bye bye.